Welcome to your journey into the void to reset and create. Taking in a deep breath all the way down to your belly and exhale. Now continue with gently even breath, aligning yourself in a position that feels perfect for you to relax. And just dropping all tension out of your body. Take another deep breath and start allowing all of the thoughts of the day to just fall away. Feel the sense of your temples softening even more, and just breathe, dropping your shoulders, and allow yourself to soak into the comfort of your position. As you breathe, you might start to feel the loving warmth of the golden sun on your face as you find yourself in an expansive desert. The sand is a rich color. The sky is perfectly clear, and the temperature is exactly how you like it. There is a gentle breeze now, and you look across the wide open space toward the hills. You may feel the glistening particles of sand beneath your feet as you're walking through these smooth hills that gently roll across the desert. You are taking time to breathe deeply, the crisp, clean air, and as the sun warms your back, you find yourself magnetically pulled to the mouth of a cave up ahead in the hills. The closer you get, the more you feel the void pulling you in, beckoning you, welcoming you. And as you feel the steady beating rhythm of your heart, you feel the magnetic pull toward that entry to the cave where the void awaits. You have arrived at the cave's entrance and look forward to going inside. You see a butterfly flutter into the cave, and it is safe to follow. As you transition from the bright daylight to the cave entrance, the void gives dark and familiar light. You step deeper into the cave and notice the cool earth under your feet. You follow the smooth, cool stone path that grows darker and darker. You notice in the dim light beautiful plants and the sound of a small stream. You see the butterfly has settled on a leaf, its wings now luminous and glowing. You step into the clear stream and allow the shallow water to cleanse your feet. Feel the water flow over your skin. You take a deep breath as you leave the stream and walk through the cave and into the blackness of the void, walking into that cool, dark, mystical energy. You feel it sweep you up into its embrace as you become weightless in the inky blackness. And you start to connect and feel the intelligence flowing through the void, which is both infinite and eternal. The void both knows you and sees you. And as you float here, I want you to imagine and bring up into your mind one thought form or life form that is limiting you or challenging you. Think about that right now, and think about how it's blocked you or thwarted you from where and how you want to be in life. Just reflect. Now, I want you to imagine you're opening your mouth to let go, to sing out or to cough or vomit out any of those old parts that old life form that does not serve you. And as you breathe and release, you imagine the void drawing out this energy and swallowing it up. You just breathe it out with the intention to let go, pulling it from all of the parts of your body and energy field where it's been lodged, releasing it through the mouth out into the void, noticing the material, the tension, the substance, the size and shape. You can see the void simply enveloping it with its inky blackness, transmuting that energy and shifting this part to another energy state. As you do this, you now sense what's coming back to you is a new way of thinking, a new way of acting, a new thought form. I want you to breathe in this new thought, this new energy, the new role that you now want this thought to give you. I'm going to leave you here for a couple of minutes while you invent your new thought, your new energy that supports you, and your new vision. How do you want to think and feel and be? I'll come back for you soon. Relax, breathe, feel, observe. Really feel this new powerful thought reverberating through your field. You might feel lighter. Now you can command clarity about how you want to show up for yourself and be in the world. When you feel that you have all of the information and what it is to integrate that, start to make your way back out of the void, the same way you came in. The void is fluidly transitioning from dark to light, noticing yourself stepping once again into the stream. You pause and notice the butterfly has taken flight, and you follow it to the entryway toward the bright desert sun. You're feeling back in your body, tall and strong, clear and cleansed. Feeling that warm sand under your feet, feeling the sun reach the front of your body, lighting you up, illuminating you. You feel your lungs expand with air as you breathe in the desert wind. As you come back to the exact same point, you take your final breath here before you come back out into conscious awareness. Welcome back.